Ready, you ready?
Mm-hmm. What about your racket?
Well, I'm pitching the ball to you. I know you like to hit. Go. Nice. Ready? Another one. Woo! Ready, another one. Oh my God, you're just like your grandfather. Ready? Another one. 4 in a row. Yes. Jameson, how did you get so good? This is good? You only picked this racket up yesterday for the first time. Jim, I think I want to get him in like a little tennis.
He's really good.
We probably won't take him till he's 5 though.
So it's 5?
You might have to wait till you're 5, but you're really good. Okay, ready? Okay, hold your racket right though. Yeah. All right, almost. So let that one go. Here you go. Ready? Oh. Oh, that's okay. You guys put some balls behind you.
I'll get one.
Thank you. Thank you. Been playing for almost half an hour now. I might have to get some rackets. I used to have one. I don't know where I put it. Didn't we go before?
Maybe once. I'm not a very good tennis player.
Yeah, but for like this,
Oh, yeah.
you don't have to be good. This is just exercising for everybody, really. You ready?
Yeah, but I got more.
That's okay. Thank you. Excuse me. What's in that? Is that your, like, the staff house?
That's actually, it's called the Mountain View Academy, and it's part of the local high school. I'm actually in it right now.
Yeah.
It's like a hospitality management program, and